Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by specifying a clear goal and immediate context so Gemini knows your intent. Once done, prime the system with a brief role and explicit constraints, length limits, format, and forbidden content. Make sure to choose the model and temperature that match your needs, lower for precision, higher for creativity. Then give one concrete example of desired output. This first step gets you a focused starting prompt that reduces wasted iterations and produces predictable early responses. You now expand the prompt through iteration. Add 2 to 4 high-quality examples that mirror the desired behavior and expose edge cases. Then structure instructions in layers, primary task, step-by-step procedure, exceptions, and any metadata you need returned. Once done, tune runtime parameters like temperature and stop sequences to control verbosity. Make sure to test with 3-5 diverse inputs and capture failures so you can refine examples or tighten constraints for consistent middle-stage performance. You finish by validating outputs across varied queries and locking required fields that must appear every time. Once done, implement simple validation checks and a safe fallback response for failures. Make sure to export the final prompt template and document runtime parameter choices. If things go wrong, start troubleshooting by simplifying the prompt and reducing temperature. In many cases, removing ambiguous context or adding a concrete example stops hallucinations and stabilizes results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.